Quoting and estimating per square metre rates in Fergus is simple and efficient. While it looks a little different from standard quoting, it still saves you time and keeps your reporting accurate. Let's walk through how it works. To get started, create a draft quote or estimate. Once you're in the draft, you have two options. Use your favourites to speed things up, or build a section from scratch. We'll show you both, starting with building from scratch. First, click Add New Section. Give your section a title and add a description if needed. This is a great place to outline the scope of work. Next, it's time to build your pricing. Add everything you need for 1 square metre. That includes both materials and labour. Use the Add a Line Item bar to search for materials, and don't forget to include the labour too. Make sure your quantities are accurate. For example, you might need to use decimal amounts like 0.25 for partial units. Tip: if you prefer not to show a detailed breakdown, you can simply add 1 line for labour and 1 for materials. This still reports correctly, but you won't be able to review a detailed breakdown later on. And don't forget to check that each line item has the correct account code attached. Just click the icon on the left of each item to set it. Another tip: if you haven't already, now's a great time to save this section to your favourites. That way you can easily reuse it in future quotes without starting from scratch. We'll show you how to use favourites shortly. Once you've added everything for 1 square metre, select all the line items in the section by ticking the checkbox at the top. Then choose Bulk Actions and combine to 1 line. Give this combined line a clear title. This is what the customer will see on their quote. Everything in the black box is for internal use only. Anything above the black box will be visible to the customer. Now, adjust the quantity of the combined line item and match how many square metres you're quoting for. For example, changing the quantity to 50 will multiply the cost of 1 square metre by 50. From here, you can make any final edits, preview the quote to check how it looks to your customer, then publish and send it off. Now, let's look at how using favourites can save even more time. By saving your per square metre setup as a favourite section, you won't need to build it from scratch each time. Instead of clicking Add New Section at the beginning of your quote, choose Add Section from Favourites and pick the pre-built option from your list. Then, just follow the same steps, combine the line items into one, update the quantity, and send it off. For more information on setting up favourites, check out our help guide. And that's it! You've now successfully quoted a square metre rate in Fergus.